had to add a rubber hose. The fitting to the lower feed was broken, so I was losing a lot of pressure there. And I resealed the engine. It is a Bassett Lowke engine, and it has the oval stanchion at the top there, and the valve guide, or the piston rod guide, is an open column, well, closed column, but enclosed. So there you go. We got some pressure built up here. We're almost at 25, well, we're at 27 or so, maybe 30 psi. There's the exhaust out the back. I think it's a Bassett Lowke plan that was made, or maybe a kit boat, but it's a bread and butter hull. I'll take this off, sun, but the spirit burner is a open fed spirit burner, so adjustments are extremely fine, but didn't do any damage to the inside. Just had it on there for a little while. Didn't damage the perspex or the mirrors. All screwed together, very well built. So our methyl spirits burner is just a trough, basically. It's a Firetube boiler. It has fire tubes in the lower tube as well as the top tube. Has a superheater. So we will try it out now. I had to adjust the throttle valve as well. And you get your hands sprayed with hot water if you're not careful here, so maybe I'll turn the flywheel instead, but pretty difficult to do this without burning your hand on the exhaust condensate. But there we go. Very good runner, now that it's sealed up. And we'll have to figure out the servo position on this. It's at 25 psi and holding pressure. There is a leak through the shaft here. We're going to have to do some packing of the propeller shaft. Under here we have the servo, nice big Futaba servo for the rudder, so that's ready to go. Always want a minimum running speed so that it won't shut off, and then the servo would activate from there. So we'll probably have to move this horn here because we'd want to get this throttle range here. And I filled up the displacement lubricator as well, but it's holding at 30 psi right now, and that's the running pressure I like to run at. This is a brazed boiler, but I don't have to worry about the silver solder so much with this boiler. And I got a beat up Stewart boiler today as well that I'll be putting in the large freighter ship. So we will be going steam on that, guys. I got 2 votes for steam, and it might take a while, but this boat will be in the water before that boat, I think. Wide open, and you can see the hull. It actually might have been carved from a single piece, the lower hull, but it does look like bread and butter. I'm not sure. I would have to check it closer. It does look like it's a one-piece hull bottom with side plates. Very well built and detailed. think it would be a patrol boat, or it would be a cruiser boat, 1920s to 1930s, 40s maybe, but it definitely looks 20s or 30s to me. And there's the Bassett Lowke engine. That's full speed there. Quite a bit of difference in probably, but we'll need quite a large extension on it out to here probably to be able to get the full range. That's full, I think. Substantial crankshaft, all brass, and hopefully this is a gland here that I can repack, and holding 25 psi, so I think that I made a good purchase, and I was really happy to deal with the seller. He was a really nice guy, private sale, and from quite a famous place of motorcycles, so I'm really happy to have taken this boat on. And I will get some video of it running and drive it with the video camera and the goggles on to see what it's like to drive a 1920s boat. Hopefully this will not catch on fire again. And there you go, guys, 40 seconds left. We'll do a walk around. Oil for the lake here. Have a good day, guys.